Hello, this is Master K once again connecting to your soul, throwing you some love today, some sunshine, and of course some spirituality to help you find your true hidden power. Welcome to this uplifting guided affirmation meditation. And this is a repeat after me meditation to relax your body, mind, and soul. So first of all, put yourself in a safe place just in case you fall asleep, because some of these meditations will relax you. So get yourself ready, sit down somewhere safe, put some baggy clothes on, maybe a pair of old pajamas, and breathe with me right now. Come on, let's do this together. So just breathe in and out. Get rid of those cobwebs. Breathe in again and out. Good. Last time, breathe in and out. Fantastic. Now I've put this simple meditation together because I get asked so many times, how do I do meditation if I'm not used to it? Will my mind wander? So this is why it's guided, a guided meditation for you. So here we go then. So get ready to repeat after me these affirmations, and this will help you to learn how to meditate. So let us begin. So you need to repeat after me. Today, I slow down. Today, I give myself permission to relax. Today, I set time to meditate. Meditation calms my mind. Meditation keeps me focused. Meditation is great for my self-care. When I meditate, all my anxiety has gone. love my meditation. So just let yourself drift off into this meditation for a few minutes. And I'll see you in a minute. So relax. And as you breathe out, just let those shoulders drop. Relax all the muscles in your face. Feel those muscles just drop and get heavy. Feel your arms get heavy now. And as you breathe in that beautiful prana, breathe out any stress or anxiety that you have inside of you. So I'll leave you here and I'll be back in a moment or two. Just chill and relax. So as you continue to do this meditation and breathe naturally, I just want you to realize that with every breath you're taking from the universe makes you feel clear in your mind. It makes you feel refreshed in your body and soul. And any time you feel any stress or anxiety, just come back to this meditation and refresh your mind, your body, and your soul. So we are going to breathe as we finish up now on this beautiful meditation. We are just going to breathe 3 times. So breathe in with me. Feeling good. Breathe out. Feeling refreshed. Breathe in again. Breathing in positivity. Breathe out. Feeling good. The last time we breathe in. Feeling more awake. And breathe out. Feeling so refreshed and good. And what I want you to do now is just bring yourself round back into the room. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Move your eyes around. Stretch your face. And just feel yourself come back. So thank you so much for joining me today on this short meditation. Look out for my next videos on my YouTube, and remember to take more self-care of yourself right now than you have been doing. This is Master K, sending you love as always, sending you blessings from myself and the universe. Namaste, my friends. Namaste.